Hello and welcome to this video review of Chemical Guy's Leather Cleaner. If you are a car enthusiast or just someone who wants to keep their car's leather upholstery in top-notch condition, then this review is for you. In this video, we will discuss everything you need to know about Chemical Guy's Leather Cleaner, its features, benefits, and how it performs in real-world scenarios. So, let's dive in. Features: Chemical Guy's Leather Cleaner is a premium formula that is specifically designed to clean and condition leather surfaces. The product is pH balanced, which means it won't harm the leather's natural oils and is safe to use on all types of leather surfaces, including car seats, sofas, and jackets. One of the best things about Leather Cleaner is that it contains no harsh chemicals, so it won't damage your leather over time. Instead, it has been formulated with natural ingredients like aloe vera and vitamin E that help to moisturize and condition the leather, keeping it soft and supple. Benefits: the benefits of using Chemical Guy's Leather Cleaner are numerous. First, it cleans and conditions the leather surface, leaving it looking and feeling like new. Second, it helps to protect the leather from UV damage, which can cause fading and cracking over time. This is especially important for car seats, as they are exposed to the sun's rays every time you drive. Third, using Chemical Guy's Leather Cleaner is incredibly easy. Simply apply the product to a microfiber towel and gently rub it into the leather surface. Then, wipe away any excess with a clean towel. The product is fast drying, so there is no need to wait around for it to dry. Performance: we applied the Chemical Guy's Leather Cleaner to a microfiber towel and began rubbing it into the leather surface. Instantly, we could see the product working its magic as the dirt and grime began to lift away from the surface. After wiping away the excess product with a clean towel, the leather looked and felt like new. We were also impressed with how easy the product was to use. The application process was quick and straightforward, and the product dried within minutes, leaving no residue behind. Overall, we highly recommend Chemical Guy's Leather Cleaner to anyone who wants to keep their leather surfaces looking and feeling like new. Its natural formula, easy application, and outstanding performance make it a must-have for any car enthusiast or leather aficionado. Thank you for watching this video review of Chemical Guy's Leather Cleaner. We hope it was helpful in making your purchasing decision. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below, and we will get back to you as soon as possible.